clean the area thoroughly to ensure a strong adhesive bond. Align the lock and catch in place using the applicator, with the 3M tape facing outward. Remove the adhesive backing from the catch and press it firmly into place. Peel off the 3M tape backing on the lock, close the cupboard or drawer, and press firmly for 3 minutes to allow it to set. Open the cupboard or drawer and carefully remove the applicator. Your lock is now installed. Activate the lock by flicking the switch to the locked position. Close the cupboard door. The lock is now activated and will secure the door shut. Use your baby sprout magnetic key to open the lock by holding it in front of the secured area. Apply the placement stickers to identify the unlocking spot for quick and hassle-free access every time.